Welcome. In this video I will share some tips on how to take stunning portraits at 3.7x and 7x zoom levels on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Let's start with the 3.7x zoom level. So of course open your camera, select portrait mode from the list, and when should you use zoom levels close to 3.7 or 4? As you can see, the camera just switched the lens for this mode, but it's actually more closer to the 6x at this point. The camera will automatically switch the lens, so don't worry about it. First of all, if you want to take a photo with this zoom level, you should be at a moderate distance to an object, about 1.5 to 2 meters, for flattering facial proportions. Then you can also enable some additional effects depending on what you want your photo to look like. You can either go to effects and then select the background effects that you like from here. For example, let's select circles. I think circles will actually look great in my case. And then also the beauty levels, which is the AI feature. Just make sure that you don't overuse it, as it will smoothen the surface of the object, or the person rather, that you want to take a photo of. And you can also tap on this arrow icon here and adjust different settings. First of all, enable the assistive grade here to make sure that you are standing to make sure that the photo is even. And also by tapping right here, you can see 3 different effects: the original one, the vivid one, or the bright one. There is no, basically it's totally up to you which one you want to use with the subject. And now let's try to take a photo applying all these effects. Make sure that your object stands in the middle of the photo. In my case, it's this plant. Now let's take a look. As you can see, the background is well blurred, and the object in front of me, which is this plant, it looks great. It's well displayed. It's well it has a great contrast between the main object and the background of the object. And of course we can also adjust some edits, basically change the effects however you like. Basically, also try to make a couple of different photos with different effects to make sure that you just to see the difference and to see which suits you the most. Now let's go to 6.0x portraits, or anything closer to this. The 6x zoom creates a dramatic separation and compresses the background, making faces stand out even more. If you want to use this effect properly, you should definitely adjust. You should definitely select some sort of effect from here, as it will significantly improve your photo, drama, I don't know, and the overall feeling of the photo. As this is the effect for more live photos, and also for gentle skin smoothing or creative lighting, so it's just to keep it suitable for a more natural look. So you can push slightly more on the beauty effect here, and also ensure that the strong lighting on the subject's face to minimize noise and maximize sharpness, especially when zoomed in. So it's gonna be the same plant. Let me just adjust the settings. Oh, don't forget to focus on your object, or the part of the object that you want to focus on. So let's see the difference. This is the 6x zoom portrait. As you can see, still the object stands out on the photo. Well, it's of course not the person. A person would look much better. We would have much more different options to choose from. I can see that this one leaf looks too smooth for me, which means that the camera didn't focus well, but rather the lighting wasn't adjusted well. And here is the previous photo. Well, you can definitely see the difference between the difference of the lens that the camera used in two of these photos. This certainly looks more dramatic, and it looks it definitely better zooms in on the object, while this basically creates just enough contrast between the object and in the photo and the background behind it. And as for some extra tips for even better results, if you are taking a photo outdoors, shoot with the sun behind you or in soft, even shade. And also, don't forget to review every image you take. Don't forget to take at least a couple of photos to compare the results, and review every image. And if needed, you can use the gallery's built-in photo editing tools for final touch-ups. And so that's it. That's all the tips I had for you in this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.